I'm always moving tools around for various projects, either around the house or the vacation home or with friends' houses, whatever. This is a great system. I put all my tools in it. It's got a nice locking top. Things aren't going to fall out. This is the Packout 22-inch rolling toolbox. Massive wheels. Just lean back with this great handle and roll it any place. Lean it forward and she stays where she's placed. Look at this handle. It's got a nice lock to pull the handle up and out. I'm working it. I'm working it. Yep, here we go. And it's industrial strength, the whole system. So if you're like me and you're moving tools around, boy, this is something you ought to think about. This is the Milwaukee Packout 22-inch rolling toolbox. Treat yourself. You'll be doing the right thing.